How to fix lock cannot be edited on Canva. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can unlock elements in Canva. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to unlock your Canva, let's say when I try to move this text, it's not being moved, which means my Canva, this design or template has been locked. So you just need to simply open up your template and you can see how it is locked. So in order to unlock it, you just need to simply tap on the unlock lock option there. You can see very clearly. Just tap on lock and very easily that element can be moved from now onwards. So you may just follow this process in order to unlock it. If you're confused on how it is locked and unlocked, just follow this process. So in order to lock it again, just tap on lock and you can see how it is not able to move again. So just tap on that and unlock it again. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your unlock and lock on Canva. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful to you.